One of the things that made my home service company so valuable that I was able to sell it for multiple six figures last year was the number of online reviews that we had and the Google reviews. And I'll tell you why. The reason why is because when you start to really beat out your competition on Google, and I'm not just talking about SEO, although this has an effect on SEO, but when you become literally the number one rated maid service on Google with the most reviews with like a 4.8 or 4.9 star rating in your service area for a local company, then people decide to do business with you before they even call you. A lot of people don't even care about the price, they just want the best. And that is really, really important when you're thinking about how many reviews you have online. And so early on in my company, this was a few years ago, I decided, I was sitting on my couch one day, I remember it clear as day, I decided, you know what, I want to become the number one rated maid service in my local area on Google. And I thought, I tried to be honest with myself, and I was like, I bet that's going to take 10 years. Little did I know, it would only take 2 years. And what I did was, I put my head down, I got to work on that goal. I thought, it's going to take 10 years, but if I don't get started today, I'll never get there. And I never thought I would sell my company. So I'm really glad that I did this because it made a huge difference in the number of our organic leads. I could literally generate over 100 leads to my business without spending any money at all, $0 on Google, just by having this amount of reviews. When I sold my company, we had over 300 reviews with a 4.8 star rating. So what I did was, I got really serious about asking for a review at every service that we had. And it so happens that I used a piece of software called Sotellus. Now, Sotellus is amazing because it's the only, I'm trying to think of how to say this, it's the only review software that has verified video reviews. And so your customer can actually take a video of themselves reviewing your business, or you can even do it right there when you're in their house, take a video of them, upload it to the cloud. It goes directly to your website, to your Google My Business page. You can push it out to Facebook. You can push it out to different places. And it's amazing. And then what Sotellus does on the back end is they also, they repost reviews to your Google My Business page so that it constantly ups your SEO. And your website is being updated on a regular basis. That helps your SEO. And so there's a lot of organic reach that happens because of Sotellus. What's really cool too is customers can share their reviews of your business to their personal Facebook page along with a coupon or some kind of deal, so that can generate referrals. Really, really, really amazing stuff. So if you'd like to learn more about Sotellus, I will put a link in the description. You can check them out. Honestly, it was the best money, some of the best money I've ever spent on my business. I was so glad I did it, even though I was super scared to spend that kind of money in the beginning. It ended up being like nothing in the end. And so the way to get more business organically is to increase your Google reviews as fast as you possibly can so that you stand out from your competition, because people trust Google reviews even more than they trust like a referral from a friend.